Really good morning, everyone. I hope you're extremely well. Now, do you know what a Nightingale hospital is? Well, there are 7 Nightingale hospitals which were constructed by the NHS in response to COVID-19. Fortunately, they've had very limited use. But I wonder if you know why they're called Nightingale hospitals. Well, we're going to find out more about Nightingale hospitals after our hymn 10,000 Reasons.
Bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul. Worship His holy name. Sing like never before. Oh my soul, I worship Your holy name. The sun comes up. It's a new day dawning. It's time to sing Your song again. Whatever may pass and whatever lies before me, let me be singing when the evening comes. Bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul, worship His holy name. Sing like never before. Oh my soul, I worship Your holy name. Which you love and your soul to anger. Your name is great and Your heart is kind. For all Your goodness I will keep on singing. 10,000 reasons for my heart to cry. Bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul. Worship His holy name. Sing like never before. Oh my soul, I worship Your holy name. On that day when my strength is fading, the angel's near and my time has come. Still my soul will sing Your praise unending. 10,000 years and then forevermore. Bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul. Worship His holy name. Sing like never before. Oh my soul, I worship Your holy name. I will worship Your holy name. I will worship Your holy
So Florence Nightingale is the name behind the Nightingale hospitals. And Florence Nightingale was born herself on the 12th of May 1820, which would have made her exactly 200 years old on Tuesday. And she's known as the pioneer of modern nursing. And she learned her nursing skills during the Crimean War from 1854 to 1856, which took place on the Crimean Peninsula in the Black Sea. And she was based at Scutari Hospital on the Crimean Peninsula. And she was appalled by the terrible conditions and the filthy mess in the hospital itself, and the fact that disease spread throughout the hospital. And so she organised for a clean hospital and for proper care for the soldiers that came in. And she was known as the lady with the lamp, as she used to do her rounds wandering around the hospital with a lamp in her hand. Now, Florence Nightingale was a very, very caring lady, but she was also extremely determined and a great organiser. And I'm going to leave you with two quotes from Florence Nightingale. The first is this: "I attribute my success to this: I never gave up or took any excuses." And the second quote from Florence Nightingale: "How little can be done under the spirit of fear." So Florence Nightingale is the founder of modern nursing, and our first prayer is a prayer for nurses. Lord, please help nurses to bring comfort where there is pain, courage where there is fear, hope where there is despair, acceptance when the end is near, and a gentle touch with tenderness, patience, and love. Amen. And we say the Lord's Prayer together. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power and the glory, for ever and ever. Amen. Now, I hope you've all seen the Mulsford Caldecott Step Climb Challenge. Go for it, boys. Let's see how high we can climb. And just a reminder that that closes at 9 a.m. on Saturday morning. Now, exactly this time last week, it was VE Day, and I hope you all got a chance to celebrate that. And I'm going to leave you with the leader of the orchestra from summer 2018 playing a piece. And he happens to be called Jake Beardmore Gray.